Hello everybody. This is Shalvi Patel.
This is Tithi Prajapati from Standard 8A English Medium Faith Higher Secondary School at Himatnagar. Today, me and my friend, we are presenting a working model on drip irrigation.
Yeah, so nowadays water has become a scarcity. So how to save water? To overcome the scarcity of water, we have to do a proper management. So water is used mostly in agriculture. So how to save water in agriculture? The only answer is to use the drip irrigation system. It saves a lot of water. By using this, we can save a lot of water in agriculture. So, drip irrigation system is a system of watering plants by using the thin pipes or tubes which have the holes in them, which delivers water in the roots of the plants. The water is saved by it. So how? So when drip irrigation system delivers water near the roots of the plant, the water goes into the soil. The soil absorbs the water. As the water has a slow rate, it is completely absorbed and the water is not wasted at all. So in this system, when farmers use this system, they use water economically. They can save their money and water also. So the main beauty of this system is that this system can be used at the places where the water availability is very poor. So by this, I think you have understood that how much important the drip irrigation system is in agriculture. So let me explain that how my model works. So in this model, from the well, the water goes to the tank. And from the tank, the water passes through this pipe, and when there is two holes, from them the water drops near the roots of the plants. And by this the water is delivered to the plant roots. So this is the whole system by which the water is planted, and like this the drops fall. So there are small drops, that's why the water is saved. So this is the system, drip irrigation system. Thank you.